Hello, I have the magazine Color here to unbox for you, and this is number 268, and as you can see is a special with BTS. So front and the back and the spine, that way. Alright, so let's get into this. Okay, that's the wrong way. Let's get into this the right way. There we go. Ooh, starting off good. Loving all the BTS pictures. And here comes the content. Got some Big Bang. Ooh, NCT. Quite a lot of K-pop here. Oh, we got a special little BTS magazine inside the magazine. Yes. Alright, and here you have one of these. It's quite thick cardboard here, and you can cut it out if you want to. Ooh. Really cute. ending off with some cookie. Yeah, gotta have some BTS at the back too. So that was it. Yay, I finally have this one. The reason why it took so many months to get it, because I ordered it together with something else, and that just kept on being postponed and postponed and postponed. So finally I was just like, okay, just cancel the other thing that I ordered. So I finally got it. Yay! Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed. Bye!